What really inspired people in the opening ceremony was these two young girls who brought the pledges from 2.3 million people who really want to fight pollution. I'm extremely proud of having Vijay Sharma, one of the most successful business people in India, as our patron for clean air. So I know he will use his business network and his enormous dedication to take this forward. Well, I doubt that there is anyone who understands more than astronauts how vulnerable this very little planet in the enormous space is and why it's so important to take good care of it. My hope for tomorrow and the rest of the assembly is that key government leaders really step up, so just to make agreement on the action to take us there.